Let's talk about how to play single notes on the harmonica. I'm playing a Kongsheng Sunrise key of C harmonica. This is a diatonic, which means it's just in one key. One of the biggest challenges you'll face when you first pick up a harmonica is how do you play single notes? Anybody can pick one up, do that chordal kind of stuff, but if you can learn how to play single notes, then it opens up a whole other world. The funny thing is when you first look at a harmonica and you think about playing a note, it's a bit of a psychological barrier because you look and you see how small those holes are and you think, how can anybody do that? I mean, the target is actually bigger than you think. There's the little barriers that separate each hole. You don't have to make it as small as the hole, you just have to make it as small as the hole plus those two barriers on the side of it. You really need to get a tight seal around the harmonica with your lips. The deeper you can put it into your mouth, the better seal you're going to create. I see a lot of people in the beginning, they just want to barely put their lips on it. And it just gives you a very timid kind of sound, a kind of a weaker sound. If I can put it deeper into my mouth, it's going to be a bigger tone, it's going to get a better seal. We're not going to have any leakage around. That's something that happens when we don't put it in our mouth deep enough. We get all this air leakage coming around. We want as much air going through that hole, hitting that reed as we can. Another thing to consider is the embouchure that you want to use. Mainly there are two embouchures that are the most popular. The one I just demonstrated right there is called puckering or lip pursing, and that's just playing right at the front of your mouth. So if I want to play a 4-blow note, that's the mouth shape that I'm making. The other one is called tongue blocking, and I'm really not going to get into that in this video, but it's another way that you can play single notes. Both approaches work very well. I think it's good to decide which one you want to use from the beginning. I started with lip pursing, and now I tend to do both of them, and I interchange them all the time. Another common mistake is people tend to play too hard. Whether you're blowing a note or drawing a note, you really don't need to fight the instrument. You don't need to do it really hard. You can play very soft. I could play it harder. I'm really thinking about getting more volume there. I'm trying to just breathe through it. The more relaxed you can be, the better you're going to sound, the better you're going to be able to play. You might not think about it, but man, if we can relax our shoulders, our neck, all these jaw muscles and everything that we're not used to using, we tend to want to tense all that up, you know, scrunch our face up or something, but we just really need to relax. So we're going to start in the middle octave, which is from 4 up to 7 is the middle octave. We're going to start on the 4-blow. So let's do 4-blow, 4-draw. Going out, in, just nice and easy. The next step would be moving over to the 5-blow. So let's do 4-blow, 4-draw, 5-blow. When we switch holes, we don't really want to move our head, move our neck or anything to start. We want to move the harmonica from side to side. Now let's go up to the 5-blow and then come back down. So one of those is going to be easier for you, but it's always good if you're going to go up to go back down. The way that you hold the harmonica is actually advantageous. You want to have it all the way against your left hand like that. We can't see what we're doing when we play a harmonica, so if we always hold it the same way, then it helps us as a reference in our hand as to where we are on the harmonica. I can just kind of know where that 4-blow is based on this is the way that I hold it all the time, so I kind of know how it feels to be in that area. So as you do this, focus on getting each note nice and clear. You'll know if it's not clean because you'll hear the other holes bleeding into it. A harmonica is really a good ear teacher because we can't really see what we're doing, right? If I play that 4 blow and I accidentally get some of the 5 in there, I'm going to be hearing this higher note that I don't want. So to fix that, we just move the harmonica over a little bit so that we got only that 4 blow, only the note that we want. Same thing, maybe we got the 3 blow in there, so we're a little too low. We just move the harmonica over till we get just that 4 blow in there like we want. Obviously, because the holes are so small, it's just very small adjustments that we're making. In the beginning, you're accidentally going to get wrong notes all the time. It's the same journey everybody goes on. I went through that you just can't get frustrated. You pick this thing up because you want to have fun and you want to make some music. One of the awesome things about a harmonica is how small it is. You can take it with you, leave it in your pocket. If you can just spend a few minutes every day playing a little bit, working on getting some single notes, you'll see after time that it'll become easier and easier. A week from now, a month from now, down the road, you'll be able to do it and it won't take as much effort. Once you're able to play these single notes, it opens up a whole world of you can play melodies, you can do bending, you can do all kinds of stuff. You can bend notes. You can play all kinds of things. See you next Monday.